What's going on everybody? This is your host Manik and I welcome you all to yet another video on this channel. And as I shared in my previous video about the OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 update for Oneplus 8T, and it's rolling out now. So I've been testing this one on my device so that you guys will not end up with any issues. And basically if you should update your device to this latest version or not. So in case you wish to have a look at the changelog, you can have a look at the previous video and I'll leave a card to that. First of all, about the call stability. So I found the Wi-Fi calling to be more unstable than before, to be honest. And the calls used to mute after some seconds and then went back to normal again. And this was really annoying, so I had to turn off voice over Wi-Fi again to get stable calls. And I hope it gets fixed soon. Also in call section, I had a couple of more issues. First one was with video calls. So I tried switching over to video from an audio call and to my surprise it just fails. The other person is able to hear my voice but unable to see my video, and similar was the case for me, which is really bad as I don't expect such tiny issues from a 40,000 rupees device, as this is a basic feature only, and I hope they consider fixing it as soon as possible. Other things like missed prevention feature was also working fine and there were no issues as such. The status bar bug has also been fixed along with the NFC bug as well, so no issues there. One major issue I found was with the battery backup, and here I found that things have taken a slightly downward turn. So the idle drain has increased for me as compared to the previous version, and the screen on time has also reduced to an extent, and I'm getting almost 1 hour less now, plus the idle drain seems tad high, and thus I would advise you to avoid this one if you want better screen on time, which I'm pretty sure everyone does. So do take a note of this issue before you update. In the camera part, things are fine as of now, and I did not face any issues as such, though I feel the quality of front-facing camera can be improved a bit more. In the network part as well, as I shared already, there are issues with voice over Wi-Fi and network-based video calls, which were little to non-existent with the last update. And with games, things are fine as of now, though I got random network issues with Google Feed even on Wi-Fi, which is a bit weird. The Geekbench scores have also improved so far with this update as compared to the last version, where we had 890 for single core and 3129 for the multi-core department, which was slightly lesser than the previous version, but after this update, the scores are now at an all-time high of 890 in single core and 3235 in multi-core department. So in case you are into numbers, this will make you happy. But overall, I think you should skip this one, majorly because of battery drain and calling issues. As for me, they are more than enough to ruin the overall experience, and rest, it's up to you to decide. So this was my experience with this OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 update on the Oneplus 8T. So do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel in case you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.